I got some snapbacks and tattoos. Pittsburgh or Minnesota choose. You know I stay close to one color and that's blue. Fresh kick, yeah, I'm that dude. Yo, bitch is in my back room, smoking blunt, sipping lean. Oh, you're into bars too? Talk some shit and I'll pop you, dude. Got guns with some attachments too. Watch me go and pop the trunk, and it's your choice, nigga. Die or move. Space Cruise, what I'm repping too. Put your chips in or get the stepping, fool. Stick D is what I'm repping. If you ain't about that life, get the stepping, cause I'm real, nigga, you fake. You're a disgrace to the human race. Fuck around with me, I'll kill your ass and dump you in South Lake. Nigga, this is called shake and bake, cause they know I'll never lose the race. Nigga, Cody Sears while I'm drinking that. Always smoke the grade A. 60 bucks will get you a straight A. Serving fiends all damn day. You know my money tall like my name is motherfucking King James. If you got a problem with me, nigga, South Orange is where I stay. Nigga, knock on my door, I'll put the tool to your face, bitch. Yeah. And that's that.